Is MBA necessary for an entrepreneur? Do you think MBA helps entrepreneur to succeed? In this video, let me tell you my personal experience about whether MBA helps entrepreneurs in succeeding in their journey. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon for instant notifications. Hello everyone, I am Boniface, a first generation entrepreneur, founder of Ulagin Uli Energy Solutions, which I started more than 10 years back while I was still a student. I am an electrical and electronics engineer and an MBA in marketing and operations with the gold medal from Laila Institute of Business Administration. At the beginning of my final year engineering, I got placed, but I wanted to do an MBA as I aspired to become an entrepreneur. So I prepared for MBA entrance examinations in the final year of my engineering, and right after my engineering in 2008, I got admission at Laila Institute of Business Administration, Liba, Chennai. Soon after going through the course, I realized entrepreneurship is not widely spoken among my peers. The institute's focus was more towards placements. This was the case across several other B schools in the country. I decided to infer and learn the concepts and case studies from the perspective of an entrepreneur. This helped me in shaping my startup idea. In fact, this helped me to do my summer internship really well and secure the Best Project Award. I started working on my startup idea in December 2008. The institute helped me in shaping my startup idea by giving a lot of freedom. In fact, the institute helped us to initiate an entrepreneurship cell and collaborate with TAI Chennai and have their sessions at our campus. In December 2009, I skipped my placements, and in January 2010, I got my first project. So if you ask me whether MBA was really helpful to be a successful entrepreneur, I would say it depends where you study and how best you make the 2 years in MBA. The environment at my institute and the freedom which my institute gave me helped me to hone my skills, and also the entrepreneurship cell helped me to network with a lot of relevant people. If you are an entrepreneur and with an MBA, please do share your comments in the comment box, or if you have any other thoughts regarding this topic, please do let me know. I'll meet you in another video. Till then, this is Boniface signing off. Cheers, bye.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel to learn more about building your brand on your own in a methodological way. Press the bell icon for instant notifications. Thank you. Bye.